Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. We all have the both keys of our car. Yeah, we have a third key, but that is a service key. We're not gonna go into that discussion now. So both of these keys, I know that all of you, one key you're using all the time, like I am doing. This is the first key that is pretty beaten up by time and usage, and this is my second key that is like new, as you can see it. The point of this video is that your key remembers you. So I think another motive for that the BMW engineers made two keys in the car besides the losing one part is that I don't know if you really know that all these keys inside them, beside the unlock and lock chip that they have a separate one on which all of your car's information, the service due and things like that are stored. So when you go to a BMW dealer, it reads your key and it says whenever your car was due to a service. And besides that, we have a neat function that I discovered recently, so don't judge me for that. I've been reading the forums and I've tested out myself, and it is a pretty interesting and fun stuff to have. So this is my first key, the daily driver. I'm gonna plug it in and now we'll watch carefully what happens into the car and into all of my controls. As you can see now, the navigation is starting. So now you can see that my maps are in 3D view and we all can see the details on the maps as the important autobahns in Europe and things like that. And if I'm gonna start up the car, just putting the ignition on, as you can see here, my temps are like this: 21, 21, the all setting is on. And I don't know, let's see in settings here, if we'll go in settings, let's inside settings and we'll go into lights. I have all my things checked here, and 40 seconds into the home lights. Okay, back again, we're gonna go in nav. Okay, so this is my daily driver key. We're gonna take it out, and now we're gonna use the second key. Suppose as if another person, your friend or your wife, is driving the car, and the pretty interesting thing is that this separate key holds on to the settings that your other driver uses in the car. So let's put it in. Now you see that the navigation has changed. Now it's in 2D mode and it has other colors. Now we're gonna turn on the ignition. As you can notice, the dong is pretty louder. And you can see here all of my settings. Here on the driver's side is 18 Celsius and there 23.5 Celsius. And if you go here in menu, let's go into, as I don't know if you can notice, but the screen is really dimmed out. And in lights, all of the settings here are not checked. So welcome light, daylight, and I think, let's see, the door locks. Yeah, they are not checked. And on the other key I've checked them all. So yeah, as you can see, this is a pretty interesting thing. I think it's a pretty useful thing also. And if you have foldable mirrors, if you have auto foldable mirrors, it is working with them too. So all of your settings all around the car are stored on separate keys, separately, differently. So yeah, that's a pretty useful thing to know. I hope you can use it on your discretion. And thanks a lot for watching my channel, watching my videos. Please do subscribe for new videos to come.